Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deposit a check on Navy Federal app. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open the app on your mobile device and then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, look at the bottom navigation bar and then tap on deposit. Then tap on make deposit. When a pop-up appears asking for camera access, simply tap on allow. You need this to take photos of your check. After that, select the amount you want the money to go. After selecting the account, simply tap on continue and then type in the exact amount written on your check. Make sure it matches perfectly. After that, tap on continue again. Before taking photos, look through the front photo checklist. Make sure you're in a good lighting, lay the check on the flat surface, and keep the entire check in frame. Also make sure that your camera is focused. When you're ready, tap on take a photo and then capture the front of the check. Now, review the backed photo checklist as well. Make sure the check is signed by all pays, and also don't forget to write for mobile deposit only at NFCU on the back. Keep the whole check visible in the frame and then simply take the photo. Now, you'll see a review screen. Check that the deposit is correct. Front and back photos are clear and you're depositing into the right amount. You can also add your additional note to remind yourself what the check was for. When everything looks good, simply tap on make deposit and that's it. You will immediately see confirmation screen. Navy Federal will also send you an email confirming your deposit. And just like that, your check has now been successfully submitted. That's it. That is how you deposit a check using the Navy Federal mobile app. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.